Increase 64 by 12.5% equals what? That looks at the surface, by appearance, quite a hard, tricky problem, but when you look at 12.5%, if you doubled that, you get 25%, wouldn't you? And if you doubled it again, you get 50%, and if you double it again, you get 100%. So 25% was a quarter, so this will be an eighth. This is an eighth. So all we need is to increase this by an eighth if we think of this as a fraction. So what is an eighth of 64? Well, 8/8 is 64. So 1/8 of 64 equals 8. Because there's 8/8, isn't there? So 1/8 will be 8. So increase 64 by 8. So answer is 72. If you're looking at it just as a problem and not thinking about the problem, increase this by 12.5%. Well, basically, you would need to multiply this by not 12.5%, but by 100. Because you need the object, which is there, plus 12.5% of it, don't you? So the total percentage you need of the amount is 112.5%. That's the total amount you need. So basically, this is another way of thinking about this, is 112.5% of 64. And 100% of 64 is 64. And 12.5% of 64 is an eighth. So you could work that out and do the maths as well if you wanted. But you're going to get 8, and then you get 72. So there's lots of different ways of thinking about this problem. But this is probably the way I did it at the beginning, at the outset, was probably the most intuitively clearer way. Yeah?